I'd agree with you, but then we'd both be wrong.
Guys, of course not. Georgia Bulldog has 13.
Tommy, no play for
In other news, Wayne Sawyer was found dead in the swimming pool, trash can, and on the roof of the Sawyer residence. While there are no witnesses who could identify or describe the man, the neighbor reported hearing unholy chainsawing, as he called it.
I was just making a cup of tea when I heard some loud buzz outside, and all I saw was a red house. I thought it was Halloween decorations for a second, but who puts up Halloween decor during spring? This is pretty fishy if you ask me.
You know that guy gives me the heebie-jeebies.
Who?
That guy with the chainsaw, it freaks me out.
Maybe the school just hired him to do some landscaping.
What's that I hear?
Word on the street is that someone was recently murdered.
I guess I have to do my job. Students, please ignore the chainsaw noise outside. Administrators have hired someone to cut down all the trees, okay? Ignore it. Please let him be. He likes his personal space, just as I do.
Miss Wright, do you have any other information about—
No.
No, but like, please, do you have any—
Mr. Sawyer's business is his business.
Ugh, fine. Wait, Sawyer, that sounds familiar. Do you mean Wayne Sawyer?
No, that's his brother.
You mean the murder victim, Wayne Sawyer? Oh, Mr. Sawyer definitely killed him. Do you see that chainsaw? It's straight out of a horror film. That's as spooky as—
What? Why would somebody kill his own brother? Do you know how ridiculous you sound?
Oh, whatever. But since Mr. Sawyer is definitely the murderer, we're all in danger. What are you talking about? Landscaper, do you really believe that? He's obviously here to hide the remains. Duh.
Why on earth would a murderer—
Oh my god, I have to tell everyone! Hey, did you hear about how Mr. Sawyer totally killed his brother?
Oh, knock it off already.
Jim totally murdered his brother!
We all got your ticks.
Yeah, I mean, what's with his face? Does he have an allergy or something?
I'm pretty sure it's a mask.
It's still creepy. As made clear by the stitch marks, the hyperrealism, I wonder why he wears it.
Maybe because Troy punched him too hard.
Shut up, why would I punch him?
Maybe because he likes Auburn.
If you guys are gonna keep talking about him, I'm leaving the change.
Okay, bye!
Careful out here, kid. The ground has been maintained well. Jim Sawyer.
Tom Stephenson.
Alright, cool. We'll wait 10 minutes and ask him to the bathroom after the bell rings. Then we'll be out there.
Oh, hey, Tommy. We were just...
Oh, shut up. Don't invite that nerd. We'd be better off without him.
Wow. Nerd? I said, you so different than nerd.
Oh, shut up. You coming tonight?
Well, I have about 12 tests I would rather take. Respecting this idiocy? Sure.
You could have just said sure. Alright, cool. We need bait. Andrew?
Of course. $5 says that Troy runs off first, screaming higher than Rachel can.
Wait, what are you guys planning?
Nothing.
If you're going after Jim, you're just wasting your time. I fell over in the woods and he opened me up.
Oh, you're such a liar. He probably only saved you to keep his cover.
No, you're the liar. All you ever do is cause drama.
No, I don't.
This is more interesting than friends. Oh, saved by the bell!
Well, we're going regardless. Can I use the bathroom?
Can I use the restroom?
Can I go to the bathroom?
Can I not go?
Come on, it'll be fun.
Fine. Can I go to the bathroom?
After Rachel gets back.
Ha! Take that, Rachel.
Nope, you're coming with me.
Stop! Stop! Please! That's right! Save me!
I've seen weirder.
I can't wait to watch this. Wow!
She had it coming. I mean, oh my gosh, this is such an utmost travesty. Who could have done such a thing? Well, maybe it was Jim, because Regina would never lie.
Wait, you said he had a chainsaw. Well, if he had such a thing, why would he do that to you?
I mean, the chainsaw is really messy. What if he tried to avoid it?
I mean, either way, I'm about to have to go watch it.
Yeah! Wait, why don't we just call the cops?
Can I use the bathroom?
Sure, whatever.
Her shoes are red. She doesn't have any injuries. Did she really just slip? If they saw her like this, they're gonna think Jim did it. They will.
I think he's somewhere around here. Let's split up and come for a draw.
That sounds great.
Oh no, we are not splitting up. I don't think Jim is the murderer, but if he is, we are open.
What are ya, chicken?
It is a possibility, but in that scenario, we will all get murdered. Whatever, it's fine. Connor, I want you to go stand over there and act up because I'm gonna try to lose Jim home.
Do I have to?
Yeah, if you want to catch him.
Wait, Tommy.
Jim didn't do anything. He never has. He probably didn't murder his brother. Did you see the water on the bottom of her shoes? Or her phone on the ground beside her? She was probably clumsy and slipped.
They don't have to be used as bait?
Oh.
What are you kids doing out here?
Quick, get him!
Come on now. You shouldn't be out here while I'm working.
Wait, working? You mean working isn't burying the body, right?
What?
Didn't you kill your brother? And Regina?
What? No. Where's Regina?
Then what's the chainsaw for? Yeah.
I was just hired by the school to cut down a tree, but I can't seem to find the one they want to cut.
I told you guys. It's harmless.
Man, figures.
Yeah.
So what's the thing mess for?
It keeps sawdust out of my eyes.
So what is made? So what's his? So what he's saying? What is it made out of?
Yeah, what is it made out of?
Nobody gonna break my stride. Nobody gonna slow me down.
Shut up!
I got to keep on moving. Nobody gonna break my stride. Nobody gonna slow me down.